Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question what happens if you delete Google Photos. And firstly, let's get started by open Google Photos application and click at the profile icon. Make sure that your backup turn on. Turn on it. If it's turned off, select quality, original quality or storage saver and confirm. Now, if I delete Google Photos application, my photos already back up. Maybe you need to wait a bit until backup finished. And you will have them on the cloud. So you can remove this application from your phone and you still will have these photos in the cloud. Okay, if you remove Google Photos from the application. I mean, if you remove photos from Google Photos application, this photo will move to the trash right here. Let me show it for you. So let's say I want to remove this, trash and delete. And now I have it in the trash. I have this photo. And you can delete this photo and you will permanently remove them from the phone if you delete the photos or videos from the trash. Or you can restore this photo, so you after 30 or 60 days, it depends if your photo backup or not, it will automatically remove your files from the trash. Okay, and the last one. What if you remove Google Photos account? And there's nothing like Google Photos account because you use your Google account and you cannot remove only Google Photos account. If you want to remove account, you need to remove your Google account. If you delete your Google account, you will permanently delete all your photos, what you have and videos, what you have in the Google Photos. And you free up Google One space, so you share this 15 gigabytes for free with Gmail and Google Drive. So you will just free up this space. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.